Hi there. Did you know that skincare products can affect every area of your health, from your fertility health to your hormonal health to the vitality of your skin? I know it sounds crazy because we're so used to hearing about diet and exercise and drinking enough water being the main things that we need to do in order to focus on our health. And while those things are so critically important, today I want to share with you 3 secrets that are going to revolutionize the way that you look at skincare and how the products that you use can not only impact things like acne or signs of aging or fine lines, but they can also impact the rest of your physical health and well-being. I'm Jenna Kutcher. I'm an online educator, a podcast host, and a virtual business coach, but that's not why I'm here today. I'm actually sharing this because I faced a season of heartache in my life after having 2 back-to-back miscarriages that left me wondering how I could take control of my health and my fertility. I decided to make the switch to natural, non-toxic skincare products, and I was able to improve my hormonal health, clear up my acne, clear up my melasma, and truthfully, my skin has never looked better. I have struggled with my skin for decades and decades, and I am so proud of the shine and the glow that you see today. On this journey, I was also blessed with my double rainbow baby. Her name is Coco, and she is the cutest thing in the world. So let's talk about why what we put on our skin actually matters. Now, your skin is your largest organ. It essentially absorbs anything that you put on it. And when we were struggling with fertility, I started to really pay attention to what I was putting on and in my body. And I was shocked to find ingredient lists with words that I definitely couldn't pronounce. And I went on this spree and I filled up a garbage bag with the products that I had been using. At the end of the day, it's important to remember that we're exposed to heaps of toxins on a daily basis in the foods we eat, the water we drink, the technology we use, the air we breathe. I mean, it is vital for us to just focus on making changes in the areas that we can control, because there are so many areas in our life that we simply can't control. So I want to share with you 3 secrets about non-toxic skincare and how you can use it in unison with a healthy lifestyle to heal not only your skin, but to help heal your whole body too. And I know you're probably thinking, does the natural stuff actually work? It's just plants and minerals. How can that help with acne and fine lines? But again, I'm going to show you a great non-toxic product line that you can use that not only cleared up my lifestyle, but also healed things like my hormonal acne and my melasma. So the first secret starts with oil cleansing. It's actually in this bottle right here. And the big idea here is that even though putting oil on your skin feels counterintuitive, it is the best way to purify and cleanse and nourish your skin while keeping its natural moisture barrier intact. Natural oils are so powerful in their ability to beautify and heal, and oil cleansing can work for all skin types. This is important because using harsher cleansers and products, they strip our skin of the oil that it needs, and so then it's forced to produce more of it, which puts us in this vicious cycle of removing excess oil and your skin working double time to replace it. I always think back to science class where like dissolves like, so when you use oil with oil cleansing, the oil dissolves the oil on your skin while protecting that barrier that it needs. Now, the second secret is remembering that the fewer and the simpler the ingredients in your products, the better. The main thing to understand here is that many skincare products, from cleansers and moisturizers to even things like deodorants and serums, they have these long lists of synthetically manufactured ingredients that are actually filled with toxic chemicals that make them smell good and last longer on our shelves. But those chemicals can block your pores from letting your sweat out. And this means that we're absorbing ingredients like chemical-laden fragrances and phthalates and aluminum and more toxins that studies have shown can impact your hormonal health, your skin health, and your body's proper functioning to cleanse itself naturally. Your body wants to cleanse itself. It doesn't want to be blocked from that. Products formulated using real ingredients derived from nature means maximum purity and potency. Your body reacts better with natural ingredients, and it can actually breathe and function better when you use all natural products. Now, the third secret is finding skincare products with natural ingredients that actually target exactly what you need. Did you know that turmeric oil and marula oil and green tea can balance oil production and purify your pores? They can diminish discoloration from scarring and sun damage and even out the skin tone to create clear and glowing skin? Or how about organic tallow, pure emu oil, jojoba oil, blue tansy, and geranium? Those ingredients can deeply nourish the skin without clogging your pores. They can powerfully soothe inflammation and reduce the appearance of aging. This is important because we need to understand as a society that chemical-filled products with words that we cannot pronounce don't fix problems. They often just cover them up and extend them for longer periods of time. They want you to keep buying the products, right? So they don't want the problem to go away. Natural ingredients derived from plants and nature can gently yet powerfully heal the skin while keeping the rest of your body safe, healthy, and calm. Now, I know what you're thinking. It is way too expensive to overhaul my skincare cabinet and get natural healthcare products, right? I thought that too. But here's the thing, the incredible products that I personally use cost just about the same as the old stuff, and they last just as long, sometimes even longer, because I'm using less than I did when I used those harsh products. So I've partnered with this all-natural skincare line called Primally Pure that has literally overhauled my skin into a clear, dewy, healthy complexion, something I never even dreamed was possible in my adult life. And you can experience the power of their non-toxic serums, oil cleansers, natural deodorants, yes, they work, and facial mists, masks. They have so many different products that can help you figure out how to use all-natural, non-toxic products in your daily life. These products have completely changed the texture and the look of my skin over the last few years that I've used them. And I know that if you try them, you will fall head over heels like I did. Maybe your skin will clear up. You'll never want to go back to those chemical-laden drugstore lotions and potions, I promise. And I, as your gal pal who has experienced the life-changing skin transforming power of Primally Pure, have completely replaced my old skincare line with all of their natural products, and I cannot strongly encourage you enough to do the same. Now, I have synced up with this incredible female-owned and operated company to get you a 10% off discount. If you click the link, you can get 10% off of your order using the code JK10. I honestly don't know how much longer they're going to be offering this discount code because they are growing at a rapid rate. And it's pretty unheard of that they're even giving out this sort of discount in the first place. So make sure you order yours today while it's still available. I recommend starting with the cleansing oil, the lavender deodorant, and the everything spray. You can literally use it for everything. It's magic. Now, I am always here to share the things that I love, the things that have helped me, and I can't tell you how much my skin and my hormonal health has transformed since bringing Primally Pure products into the mix. I cannot wait to hear how much you adore these non-toxic gems of skincare products and the results that you experience. Hurry up, go take advantage of it today. JK10 will save you 10% on your brand new journey towards a non-toxic lifestyle. I'm cheering you on. Congratulations.